Assalaamu alaykum. Welcome back to another Tajweed tips and tricks tutorial. In this lesson we'll be reading from page 22 of the Safar Abridged Qa'idah, Kasratayn. So kasratayn basically means two kasras. From the kasrah lesson we know that when we recite the kasrah it's read quick, there's no stretch, and we also smile. Smile is very important to get the sound right. Here is two kasras. So as well as smiling, you're going to add the n sound, the n sound to the kasrah basically, and that makes a kasratayn. And I'll go through the letters first, and then we'll do some words inshallah. So the first box number 1, in, bin, tin, thin, jin, hin, khin, din, dhin, rin. Ra is read here empty mouth because of the kasratayn. Zin, sin, shin, sin, din, tin, dhin, in, ghin, fin, qin, kin, lin, min, nin, hin, win, in, yin. Moving on to some words now. Ka, ba, kabadin, kabadin. Bi, da, bida, min, bidamin. Uku, ukulin, ukulin. Li, gha, lighadin, lighadin. Ala, alaqin, alaqin. Kutu, kutubin, kutubin. Shu'a, shu'abin, shu'abin. Furu, furushin, furushin. Fala, falakin, falakin. Dusu, dusurin, dusurin. One box 40 now. Taba, tabaqin, tabaqin. Judu, judurin, judurin. Naha, naharin, naharin. Iwa, iwajin, iwajin. Sana, sanatin, sanatin. And the last 3 lines, starting from box number 45, I'll read these without the separate sounds, okay? So the full word together. Kadhibin, qadarin, hasanin, fi'atin, harajin, ahadin, nukurin, ajalin, ghadabin, su'urin, qabasin, bishararin, humazatin, safaratin, bithamanin. So each sound should be read correctly with the correct vowel sound, the fatha, the kasra, the dhamma. And obviously now because we've done fathatayn and kasratayn, the makhraj should be perfect and clear when you're reciting these. Otherwise the word will change, and when you're reciting Qur'an, if you're changing the word, then you could be in very big trouble, because you're going to be changing the meaning, and you're going to be changing the words that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has revealed. Okay, so this is very important we get this right. That's it really. If you benefited, please share, subscribe. There's one more option. Oh yeah, like. The little thumbs up, do a little thumbs up for us. And if you have any questions or suggestions, or if you want to ask just in general, get in touch, please you feel free to do so. Okay, Assalamu alaykum rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.